If you've ever needed to type a temperature, a measurement, or any value that uses the degree symbol in Microsoft Word, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to insert the degree symbol in Microsoft Word using a few simple methods, so you can pick the one that works best for your keyboard and workflow. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick word tips and productivity guides. Let's get started. The fastest and most reliable method is the Alt code. First, make sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want the degree symbol to appear in your Word document. Then hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and type 0176 using the numeric keypad. Once you release Alt, the degree symbol will appear instantly. This is one of the best methods because it works quickly and keeps you moving without opening extra menus. Just remember, you need to use the numeric keypad for this to work properly. If your keyboard doesn't respond to 0176, there's another Alt code you can try. Again, place your cursor in the document, hold down Alt, and this time type 248 on the keypad. When you release the Alt key, Word will insert the degree symbol for you. This alternative method is helpful if the first code doesn't work on your system or keyboard setup. Now, if you prefer using menus instead of keyboard shortcuts, Microsoft Word also gives you an easy way through the symbol menu. To do that, go to the Insert tab at the top of Word, then click Symbol and choose More Symbols if needed. From there, look through the list of available characters until you find the degree sign, then click it and select Insert. This method is a little slower than the Alt code, but it's very useful if you don't like memorizing shortcuts or if you want to browse other special characters at the same time. Another helpful tip is that once you've used the degree symbol a few times, the process gets much easier to remember. If you're writing something like 25 degrees, 90 degrees, or a scientific measurement, the degree sign can make your document look more polished and professional. It's a small detail, but it's one of those formatting tricks that makes your work look much cleaner. If you use Microsoft Word often, I also recommend practicing the Alt code method a couple of times so it becomes second nature. It can save you time every time you need to add special symbols. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. So now you know 3 simple ways to insert the degree symbol in Microsoft Word. Use Alt 0176, use Alt 248, or insert it from the symbol menu. That's it for this guide, and I hope it made your word editing faster and easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.